This is a really old song about some of my favorite subjects like crime and surfing. This is called Motorcycle Drive-By. Summertime and the wind is blowing outside and the chasing, I don't know what I'm doing in the city. The sun is always in my eyes. It crashes through the windows and I'm sleeping on the couch and it came to visit you. That's when I knew that I could never have you. I knew that before you did. Still I'm the one who's stupid. It's burning like there's always been. I've never been so low, and I've never been so low. Visions of you on a motorcycle drive-by. The cigarette ash flies in your eyes and you don't mind. You smile. Say the world, it doesn't fit with you. I don't believe you. You're so serene. Believe the universe shows us on a tip. You're guiltless and free. I hope you take peace of me with you. There's things I would like to do that you don't believe in. I would like to build something, yeah, yeah. You'll never see it happen. And there's this burning like there's always been. I've never been so alone. And I say I've never been so coast, it starts to rain. I'm paddling out on the water alone. Taste the salt and taste the pain. I'm not thinking of you again. Summer dies and swells rise. Sun goes down in my eyes. See this one day, don't be coming to take me